Crow's Nest utilizes Microsoft SQL Server for data storage. The SQL Server Express 2019 is free, and you can download it from this link. I'll put a link to this in this video description, or you can download the SQL Server 2019 Express. Okay, so step one is to just perform the download. So I'm going to just go ahead and download and let this download. And while that's downloading, I'll fast forward the video. Okay, now that's done downloading. I'm just going to double click it to open it, and we're going to run it. I'm going to go ahead and do the basic installation, and we'll agree to the terms. I'm going to use the default install location, and we'll pause the video here again and pick it up when this is done. When the download and installation is complete, you'll see this window. It's going to show you the instance name and the locations of the various folders. I'm going to leave everything in the default. So go ahead and click the Install SSMS button to start the install. This will take you to another web page here, a link where you can download the latest version of SSMS. So we'll go ahead and download this. I'll save that download, and I'll pick the video back up when we're ready to run it. Okay, now that we got the file downloaded, we can go ahead and double click it to run the installation file for SSMS. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one in the default location and choose install, and we'll wait for this to complete the installation. Okay, now that is done installing, I'm going to go ahead and close the installer, and I'm just going to go to my start menu and find my Microsoft SQL Servers tool 18. We're going to go ahead and just run this SQL Server Management. When the program opens, you'll get this Connect to Server window. The server name should default to the SQL Express installation that we just completed. Here, mine did that. If it didn't, you can type in the server name path. We'll just go ahead and click Connect. And that's going to open up our server instance here in the SSMS. So at this point, we have a successful running instance of SQL Server Express, and we can access and configure it here inside of SSMS. So the first thing we need to do is we need to turn on mixed mode authentication. To enable this, we're going to right-click on our instance name and choose Properties. In the Server Properties window, we're going to choose Security, and we're going to choose the bubble SQL Server and Windows Authentication mode and highlight that. And then we're going to go ahead and hit OK. Go ahead and just hit OK on that pop-up. We are now ready to go ahead and install the Crow's Nest software and create our Crow's Nest database. We'll do that in the next video.